If you don't have a small, fine bulgur, which I'm gonna use in this recipe, I guess you can use a couscous or brown rice. Slightly adjust the method and you'll get pretty similar results here. It's all about the dressing. I made it few times this summer. It's fantastic, especially with meat and with your barbecue. It's a strong, pungent kind of sweety, soury, mostly tangy taste. It will keep swelling like magic porridge. As you add the rest of the ingredients, it just keeps growing up and growing up. So you get quite a lot. It's quite a big portion out of this cup of dry bulgur. If you don't have pepper paste, add more tomato paste, the same amount, or the other way around. And if you do not have molasses, just add tiny bit of honey and a bit more lemon juice. So play around to achieve this tangy, lemony, sort of sharp, pungent taste. Knead well for at least 5 minutes, as long as you have patience for to make sure the flavors mingle and the bulgur soft. We're adding our greens now, the onions and lots of parsley. Onions not that much, and I'm using only white parts because the onions I have here are very bitter. If you have lovely sweet spring onions, by all means use all of it. Parsley we use loads in this salad, and the main thing here is to chop it really finely, right? Mince it, as they say. Good. Obviously, if we let it stand a little bit, it will improve.